Hello, nature lovers. I'm Venant, and welcome to Stories and Documentaries TV, Wildlife Animals Documentary. Today, we diving into the treetops of Southeast Asia to meet one of the most intriguing mammals you've never heard of, the Binturong, or Bearcat. It's part bear, part cat, part monkey, and full of surprises. Stick around until the end to discover its popcorn scent, remarkable tail, and vital ecological role. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, and comment on what you'd like us to explore next. Let's go. Meet the Binturong, scientifically Binturong, Arctictis binturong. Despite its nickname Bearcat, it's neither a true bear nor a cat, but part of the civet family Viveridae. It inhabits dense forests across South and Southeast Asia, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and more. This species is currently classified as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List due to declining populations. Understanding where it lives helps us appreciate the challenges it faces. The Binturong is stocky, with shaggy black or dark brown fur, long white whiskers, and a tail nearly as long as its body. One of its most remarkable features, a prehensile tail. One of only two carnivores worldwide with this adaptation. The other is the South American kinkajou. This tail acts like a fifth limb, helping it grip branches, climb, and even hang. Young individuals have been observed hanging solely by their tail. Also, the Binturong walks plantigrade, flat-footed, like a bear or human, which is unusual for a tree dweller. These traits combine to make the Binturong uniquely adapted to its arboreal lifestyle. Here's a fun fact you'll love. The Binturong smells like buttered popcorn. Yes, because of chemical compounds, 2-acetyl-1-pyroline, secreted from its scent glands under the tail. It rubs these secretions onto branches to mark territory and signal to others. On top of that, it uses vocalizations, snorts, chuckles, purrs, and howls to communicate. In the dim rainforest canopy, scent and sound matter more than sight. These adaptations help the Binturong stay connected. Though often solitary and nocturnal, the Binturong does display social interactions. It spends most of its time in trees, moving slowly and cautiously. It cannot leap between branches like monkeys because of its weight. When resting, it often curls itself with its tail wrapped around the branch. Climbing down head first? Yes, thanks to ankles that rotate up to 180 degrees. These behaviors show how the Binturong has carved its specialized niche high above the forest floor. Omnivorous and opportunistic, the Binturong's diet includes figs, fruits, leaves, small mammals, birds, insects, and carrion. Crucially, it plays a keystone role in rainforest ecology by spreading the seeds of strangler figs. In fact, it is one of only two animals with the necessary digestion to soften the hard fig seed coating. This means the Binturong helps maintain forest health, regeneration, and biodiversity, a silent but vital player. Females mature around 30 months, males around 27-28 months. Gestation lasts about 84-99 days. Litters usually contain 1 or 2 young, though up to 6 can occur in captivity. Interestingly, the species may exhibit delayed implantation, allowing the female to time birth to favorable seasons. Young Binturongs stay with their mother for several months, learning to climb, forage, and use their tail. Through understanding this life cycle, we can appreciate how vulnerable the species is to disruption. The Binturong's habitat, tropical lowland rainforests, is under severe pressure. Deforestation, oil palm plantations, logging, human settlement, and wildlife trade all threaten this species. It has declined by at least 30% since the 1980s and is classified as vulnerable. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching, public awareness, World Binturong Day, and captive breeding programs. Yet much of its ecology remains mysterious due to its shy, canopy-dwelling nature. Protecting the Binturong means protecting whole rainforest ecosystems, a win for many species. Here are some unforgettable facts. One of only 2 carnivores with a prehensile tail. Smells like buttered popcorn when marking territory. Walks plantigrade, flat-footed, helps region rainforest by dispersing fig seeds. These surprising traits make the Binturong not just cute and curious, but ecologically essential. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the remarkable Binturong. If you enjoyed this episode of Stories and Documentaries TV, Wildlife Animals Documentary, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share with your friends. Leave a comment below. Which Binturong trait surprised you most, or what animal should we cover next? We upload new wildlife education videos daily. Your feedback shapes our next topic. I'm Venant. Goodbye. See you again.